Hey guys, my name is Turaab and welcome to Turmia's World. Today we're going to be making a peacock out of Legos, so let's jump right into it. So here are the pieces for our peacock / bird. So without further hesitation, let's start building. First, you'll need to get the slanted piece, and also you're going to get this 3-piece, just one. It's one long. Then you're going to take this flower leaf type piece and you're going to put it right next to it. Like that, okay? Next, you're going to take this piece, you're going to put it right here. Then you're going to take this piece, it has 2 dots, one on each side, and you're going to put this over here. Oops, that fell off. So now we're going to do the same piece right next to the other piece. So it should look like this. Now we're going to build it. So we're going to put this to the side. And we're going to get this 1 times 2 piece. Next we're going to get this 4 times 2 piece. And you're going to put it right next to that 2 times 1 piece. Next you're going to take the same piece that you put over here. And you're going to put it there. Next, you're going to take the slanted piece. It's 3 on the bottom and it has 1 dot over here, which curved, not slanted. And then you're going to take the same piece, put it on the other side. Now, we're going to take it over there. Well, we're going to put it over there. And then you're going to flip it. You're going to flip it over. And you're going to take this 3-piece. Well, it's a slanted piece with 4 dots. You're going to put that. You're going to put the circle piece thick right over there. Now, you're going to make sure that it slants back. So it should, so the bottom piece, it's like the trapezoid. Now that we have the bottom, we're going to put this on here. So it's going to be these. So these 2, so before the dot, and these 2, they will meet. Like that. Now we're going to build the head. Put this to the side. And you're going to take these 2 single dots. Put it right on top of each other. Now you're going to take this 4 dot piece. 4 dots. And then you're going to take this orange bill that we use for the paint one. And you're going to, oops. You're going to put that. You're going to put that right over there. So it should be in the front. Put that back on. And you're going to put this. You're going to put the 2 eyes right over here. And then you're going to put it right in the front. It'll give you a 360 view before moving on to the next animal. So I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, like this video, and share with a friend. Bye! See you later on Turmia's World!